to this establishment is not understood by us. What we do is simply pander to individuals, and that works against our party. I look forward to the day where every single one of us can simply have genuine, deep love for this wonderful movement. Love that transcends individuals. It used to be the case that it was all about party. These days, unfortunately, it's becoming too much about individuals. Individuals must go down and the party must go up. The loyalty to the party must remain number one. Number one. There are too many of us who are simply associated with individuals. And once those individuals are not there, we are found wanting. Our loyalty should be for this movement and for this party. That should be the number one responsibility at all moments. And what it means, therefore, is that so many things that we should have done over the last 32 years that we've not been able to do properly. Like, for instance, being a party that is thinking about how to build lasting and enduring assets for ourselves. We need to do so. This building that we sit in here today is one of those few assets that this party has been able to put together. For the party that has been here for 32 years, we should have far more than that. And in order to achieve that, it simply means when opportunity comes our way, come December 7th, our number one priority should be how can we ensure that this party becomes a stronger party, an endowed party, a party that is not simply going to bear people in government whose responsibility or whose thinking is that how much can we make for ourselves, but who appreciate that the party is a mother to everyone who enters government. And therefore, that party must always be number one. Whether at the branch level, constituency level, regional level, national level, the views of the party must always matter more. What we saw in the recent past, where as soon as government was formed, party was relegated, must never happen again. It's an abomination that must never happen again. This party must be number one. And you can't occupy a position without the say of the party. So for people who think that they are lobbying individuals and thinking the party is going to be set aside, that will not happen. Cadres may go, cadres may come, but the revolution has come to stay. The same way, individuals will go, individuals will come, but this party must be number one and must remain sacrosanct. And we will fight for that. We should not be building a party where a time will come where we should be wondering whether between the party and the country what we should choose. No, it must always be Ghana ahead of party and party ahead of individuals. That hierarchy must be understood.